Hey buyer, don't blame me. Blame the molehills. Every once in a while I'll hit one and go poof. I get a puff of dust from a molehill. See if I can find one I already hit here. Show you what I'm talking about. Daggone moles. Oh, what a beautiful day. We got red clover out in the field. It is absolutely gorgeous hay making weather. It's perfect. Look at all that red clover. Yeah, I went to see it a while ago. It is what it is. We're going to make hay with it. Here's the one I just did. Around the path. Right there. I'm telling you, this property out here is absolutely. Hooked up to RK25. There's one. Yeah, that's what I'm talking about. Daggone old hills. Every few laps I come across an old hill. Poof. Can't really see it till you get right up on them, and then like a little mini fountain goes on. Watch where I'm going here. They were coming up on another one. Oh man. Gotta be entertained somehow. Oh yeah, that little dark patch right there. And then of course I got off my line. That's all good. I want to go fast, and this mower can go fast. But I'm limited by, shall we say, photography. It is a cheap ride at times. If I could take a pounding, the kidneys could take a pounding. The tractor, the great thing of the tractor, the mower itself, can shake itself apart. So I'm usually going like a fast walking pace. If I've got a field that I know is flat, I don't know it is, field that I can have. Then I can keep going faster. Oh gosh, we're in a little scale here. Does a pretty good job of following the contours. Here, pretty good. Yeah. That goes that swale track. It's good to have those in your field. It's just kind of good drainage, but man, I remember it's there. Pretty hard. try this one. That looks like a big deal. Nope. False advertising, folks. We also have a little acrobat show out here with the, what is it called? Swallows, right? These swallows, they come dive bombing in. They're liking the activity, I think. Make all the bugs fly up out of here for, you know, trying to get out of the way of me. Scatter them all and birds come in, dive bomb, swoop in for a nice little snack. They're enjoying it. I got a bunch up in the ground over here too. I think they're robins. Yeah, I think those are robins. They're not nearly as fun to watch as the swallows. There's the swallows. Yeah, they're a blast. I think she actually heard my phone make the boop noise when I started recording. Spooked her. Not terribly, but she was just kind of chilling over here. Careful crossing that road, girl. Go on, get across. No, keep going. Don't stop right there. Goofball. Flying turkey.